Short answer type questions. Question 1. How did Charlie reach the third level of the Grand Central Station?
चार्ली ग्रैंड सेंट्रल स्टेशन के तीसरे तल तक कैसे पहुंचा?
Answer. One evening Charlie reached the Grand Central and walked down the second level to catch an early train to his home. He strangely happened to notice a doorway down and followed the steps that led him to the third level of the Grand Central Station. Question 2. Why did the narrator talk to a psychiatrist friend of his and what did he say about the third level?
कथावाचक ने अपने मनोचिकित्सक मित्र से बात क्यों की और उसने तीसरे तल के बारे में क्या कहा?
Answer. The narrator talked to his psychiatrist friend because no one believed him and thought he might consult a psychiatrist. The psychiatrist interpreted it as mental disorder and explained that to escape from insecurity, fear, war and worry everyone fantasized things that never happened. Question 3. Does Charlie agree that stamp collecting habit is a way of escapism? Why?
क्या चार्ली इस बात से सहमत है कि डाक टिकट संग्रह करने की आदत पलायनवाद का एक तरीका है? क्यों?
Answer. No, Charlie doesn't agree with his claim of his psychiatrist friend. Charlie's grandfather was a stamp collector, yet he was a happy man and he never ran away from reality. Another stamp collector was President Roosevelt. These two people Charlie believed that stamp collect habit does not mean escapism. Question 4. How did Charlie ascertain that he had reached the 1894 world?
चार्लो ने कैसे सुनिश्चित किया कि वह 1894 की दुनिया में पहुंच गया है?
Answer. By the dim gas lamps, brass spittoons, old-styled clothing of men and women, moustaches and string watches Charlie ascertained that he had reached the 1894 world. Question 5. Why did Charlie run away from the third level?
चार्लो तीसरे तल से क्यों भाग गया?
Answer. Charlie wanted to buy 2 rail tickets to Galesburg, but the clerk at the station found that his notes were fake and thought Charlie was attempting to fool him. He warned him that he would call the police. Seeing that there was nothing good about police and jail in 1894, he ran away. Question 6. Why was Charlie not able to get to Galesburg again?
चार्ली फिर से गैलिसबर्ग क्यों नहीं जा पाया?
Answer. After buying old currency in exchange of the new currency, he went down to the second level and searched for the third level at the Grand Central Station. The door was dissipated and he could not find it again. Question 7. How did Sam reach Galesburg?
सैम गैलिसबर्ग कैसे पहुंचा?
Answer. From Charlie's experience, Sam learnt that one can get into the third level only once, so he purchased old currency and went to the Grand Central. He found the way to the third level, purchased ticket and reached the 1894 Galesburg, Charlie's village. Question 8. What work did Sam set for in Galesburg? Why?
गैलिसबर्ग में सैम ने क्या काम किया? और क्यों?
Or what would Sam have done in Galesburg for his living? Why?
अथवा सैम ने अपने जीवन यापन के लिए गैलिसबर्ग में क्या किया? और क्यों?
Answer. Sam set himself up in a hay, feed and grain business because he could not continue his old profession Galesburg, as at that time everyone was happy and contented, so no one needed a psychiatrist. Long answer type questions. Question 1. What does Charlie think of Grand Central? What did he discover there?
चार्ली ग्रैंड सेंट्रल के बारे में क्या सोचता है? उसने वहां क्या खोजा था?
Answer. Charlie thought that Grand Central was growing like tree, pushing out new corridors and staircases, like root him. The Grand Central was so big that he discovered so according to could lose new part of way very easily. Each time was probably a long tunnel that nobody knew about its meandering ways. He thought that the feeling its way under the city, on its and another to Central Park. One day while walking down way to Times Square to the second level I to catch an early to the third level which was never heard or sees the third doorway and followed the train to is seen by anyone. Question 2. Describe briefly the scene at the station as seen by Charlie.
चार्ली द्वारा स्टेशन पर देखे गए दृश्य का संक्षेप में वर्णन करें.
Or describe briefly the scene at the third level of Grand Central as seen, or seemed to be seen, by Charlie.
अथवा चार्ली द्वारा देखे गए या देखा हुआ लग रहा था दृश्य के रूप में ग्रैंड सेंट्रल के तीसरे तल का संक्षेप में वर्णन करें.
Answer. Charlie noticed that there were fewer ticket windows and train gates and the information booth in the center of the station was made up of wood and was old looking. Everyone dressed like 1890. The lights were dim and flickering. He saw so many beards, side buns and fancy moustaches. A woman he saw was wearing a dress with leg of mutton sleeves and a skirt to the top of her high-buttoned shoes. He also saw a small courier and Ives locomotive with funnel-shaped stack. The open gaslight and brass spittoons at the third level gave it a feeling of 1894. Question 3. Briefly describe Charlie's strange experience in the third level.
चार्ली के तीसरे तल के विचित्र अनुभव का संक्षेप में वर्णन करें.
Answer. Charlie was an ordinary man employed in New York. 1. Day while traveling from Vanderbilt Avenue at Grand Central Station, he reached at the third level. It was totally unbelievable experience for him. He saw old-fashioned dressing, costumes and accessories used by people like 1890-something. People used string watches, long black sleeve protectors and big-sized currencies. The trains ran on steam and coaches were smaller. He noticed that newspapers bore the date of 1894 and the lead story about the 100-year-old America's President Cleveland. He wanted to buy 2 tickets for his wife and himself but couldn't buy it because he didn't have the old currency. Charlie wanted to visit there but he could never find the third level again.
वीडियो को लाइक करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. ओके, थैंक यू.